Hello and welcome to another video. A wee bit high there. And today we're going to be doing something a little bit different from my kind of normal videos, and I'm going to be showing you how to wire in a plug. The plug that we're going to be using is an old light I have. I've already stripped it back, taken the wire out of the plug, and if you need to see how to take the wire out, you just do the reverse process of what I'm doing. Let's get to the video. So as you can see here, this is the plug here. So this obviously goes in here. So on a normal plug here, your live wire would go here. This is obviously UK. We only use the safest plugs. Your neutral wire would go here, and your earthing wire would go here. However, this plug I've discovered does not have an earth wire installed, so we're only going to be using the neutral and the live section, and we've got a 3 amp fuse, so if you ever need to change a fuse on a plug, you just need to kind of prise it out and replace it. Not a difficult job at all. And as you see in the top pin does normally come out. So we've got our wire here that we're going to be installing. So we have our live wire and we have our neutral wire, and yeah, again, we don't have an earth, but the earth will be the multicolored one, the greeny multicolored one usually on one of these plugs. So when you're installing them, obviously you don't want it to be looking like this, because you're more likely going to put your neutral wire into the live section of the thing, of the plug. So what you'd want to do is probably set it up like this, then you're not going to get into any bother with like a neutral in the live situation. So you want to make sure when installing is you put it straight into the hole here and making sure it's going in, and you just want to nicely tighten it up. Like so, and it's not coming down. The neutral one can be a wee bit fiddly, so sometimes just trying to find a way to get it in the desired zone. So I'm just going to unscrew this a wee bit there, and I'm just going to muck about with it just to get in the hole. And let's see, I'm quite happy with that there. Just going to use just going to hold that there while it's in the hole, and I'm just going to securely tighten this now. So remember, if you're disassembling the plug, you want to do this in reverse order. But you can see it is now wired in. So what you want to do is you want to get your plastic bit here, the plastic bit it comes with the plug here, and you want to get one of your screws and feed it through. That's the earthing one gone again. And so all this is doing is keeping the wire in place. It's not holding the... It's not securing the back of the plug on at all. So you just want to just take your time, make it nice and easy for yourself. Like so. Flip it over, make sure everything's there, because see this is falling out there, so I know just to put this in here. Make sure it sits down alright. Attach this here, flip it around, and get your screwdriver. And securely attach the plug, and then this is now a plug ready to be put into the socket. So you can see there we've got our plug in the socket there, and obviously to test it we're just going to activate the power switch there, or turn on the power switch if you may, which I believe it's already on, so we know it's working. Turn off, turn on, there we go. And there we go, and I'm kind of using the new setting on the Comica Rode mic, so my voice may sound different from what I've been using before, but yes, that is how to wire in a plug, and I believe it's an essential skill for everyone to have. It kind of reminds me of an old book that my granddad got me when I was a kid, and it kind of was all about kind of how it was old-fashioned, so it was more like what boys should be able to do, or men should do, but you know, old-fashioned times. That was back in 1990. I think the book was from 1980 or something, and it was nearer than that, because I had the Hearts winning the Scottish Cup. I have no idea. I might show you that book someday. I'm going to be uploading more content soon as well, so if you want to look at more DIY things I do myself, hit the comments below. I'll probably be uploading more DIY stuff anyway. But yeah, hope you learned something from this. I know it was a bit more like you couldn't see it all the time, but I did show the plug, and you can take it from there. If you want me to see me stripping back a plug or something like that, let me know. Hit that comment button, hit that like button. I reply to every comment I get, and if you're feeling so kind, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.